Hey, in this fun video, let's take a look at what it would take to quickly rig a pipe, just for fun. So let's grab this pipe here. I'm going to drag it onto my screen, add some thickness, and let's go to our attribute editor and give us some subdivision. I'm going to stretch it just a little bit and press spacebar to go on my side view and just put it right above the thicker line here. So I have something like this. And now let's see what it would take to actually rig this really quickly. So I'm going to go to my side view, turn on my wireframe, go to rigging tab, go to skeleton, create joint, just simply click on it. And now I'm going to click here, in the middle, and up here. Let's click on this button so we can see our joints. This is what we've created, and we can see that in the perspective view as well. All right, so now let's just simply select our mesh, our joint, go to skin, bind skin options, or I can even reset it to make sure that you guys have the same settings. You just say bind skin. You could see that our joints change colors, and now if we rotate it, you could see that it's rigged, right? We can move it up and down, and that's how simple it is to quickly add a simple rig to a pipe. The cool thing about this is that now we can animate this, so we can press S, go to 24, press S, maybe go in the middle, or go to like 6, and let's go ahead and rotate it this way, then bring it back, and let's play our animation. That's how easy and fun it is to rig shapes and create animations. All right, thanks for watching.